Hey guys, this is Ava, and this is my channel, Ava Revere, where we talk about health, wellness, and today we are talking about L-Reuteri yogurt. Now, this is a probiotic that is actually banned in all yogurts for some strange reason, Not so strange if you really study up on all this health and nutrition stuff you see. They are doing everything they can to make us sick. And so this probiotic is called L-Reuteri. It has always been in our microbiome, but since the rise of antibiotics and all these things, it's been just like it's died off in our microbiome. And I think about 97% of people worldwide don't have this. And then they go into tribes and things where they don't have antibiotics or access to modern medicine, and they have it. And so this is an easy way and delicious way to get this into your microbiome. We are just making a simple yogurt. It tastes like yogurt. It's delicious. It's very creamy, and you just take a half a cup of this a day to, re-inoculate this flora into your gut. And it has anti-aging effects, especially when it comes to building muscle. So it's great if you're trying to go to the gym, build muscle, which I am trying to do. And yeah, so the audio was really bad on this video. I had to do some voiceovers, and that's why I'm redoing this intro. So yeah, let's just get into this video. Okay, so we're going to start with a quart of milk, which is equal to 4 cups of milk. We have a packet of L-Reuteri culture from Cutting Edge Cultures, and this is just a packet of L-Reuteri. You can buy these in a box, and it comes with about 7 packets. And I bought their prebiotic powder, which is inulin powder, so you could buy theirs or buy another person's prebiotic powder or inulin powder. And I'm taking 1 packet, I put it in there, and then I do 2 tablespoons of the prebiotic powder. Inulin. Okay, so I'm putting 2 tablespoons of the inulin powder in there right now. And I have the packet of the culture in there. Now I'm just doing a little bit of the milk, or the half and half, and we're gonna whisk it into just the dash of milk that we pour in there. And it should foam pretty nicely too. Alright, now we are adding in the rest of the cream or the milk, whichever you're using. Make sure it has fat in it, and also make sure that it is pasteurized or ultra pasteurized, because if we are using raw milk, then it's not gonna turn out the way we want it to be. And you can pasteurize raw milk, but I tried that and it is kind of hard. I actually boiled over the milk. But if you have a device that works, like I know some yogurt makers have a pasteurization cycle, that would work really well. So yeah, you just slowly add it all in. Alright, once you're done mixing it, grab your yogurt maker. Mine comes with these 2 containers, and I just pour the liquid into them, and this is what they ferment into, which is really convenient because then I can just pop them in the fridge and they're already in a container. Alright, here's my yogurt machine. This is from Amazon. I will link it below, but it's very simple to use, and it's definitely beginner friendly. I just started making yogurt with it. Before that, I've never made yogurt. So I set it to 100 degrees, and anything over 100 will actually kill the L-Reuteri. So just don't go over or anything over 108 will kill L-reuteri, so don't go over that. And we're setting it to 36 hours because that is when it peaks fermentation at 36 hours. And it actually doubles between, I'm pretty sure it's 32 and 36. So it is crucial timing. And just leave it. Make sure that you are awake at this hour, because the worst thing is to set it up at like 3 a.m. and then have to set an alarm and come down and turn it off. So make sure you just plan ahead, and it's that simple. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you understand everything. If you don't, leave a comment below or a question and I will answer you, because, you know, I don't have many people watching these videos. But I will answer you in the comment section. And thank you so much. Subscribe, follow me, and follow my social medias if you haven't. And I hope you have a really great day. Bye.